Just before the dawn, when the light's still gone, shine, shine your way. And you may not know where to go to shine, shine your way. Open road, but it's still dark. Build a fire from a spark and shine, shine your way. Feed the feeling in your heart. Don't conceal it, then you'll start to find your way.
No one can stop what has begun. You must believe when I say
All of your tears will dry faster in the sun.
starting today.
Shine, 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 shine your way.
There's an open sky and a reason why you shine, shine your way. There's so much to learn, and now it's your turn to shine, shine your way.
There's a feeling deep inside. You can let it be your guide to find your way. And there's no time for us to waste. Gotta take a leap of faith and fly away.
Don't have to walk, now you can run. Nothing can get in your way.
All of your tears will dry faster in the sun.
Starting today,
Shine, 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 shine your way. Morning is breaking.
darkness is fading. Darkness is fading.
We found our way to the light. It's such a beautiful sight. Anytime, anywhere, turn around and I'll be there to shine, shine your way.
Like a star burning bright, lighting up your darkest night. I'll shine,
Shine your way.
now I can see.
You are the one.
Sent here to show me the way.
All of our tears will dry faster in the sun.
Starting today, shine, shine, shine.
We're on our way. Shine, shine, shine. That's what we say. Shine, shine, shine. Shine your way. There's a reason why you shine. Shine your way. All of our tears will dry faster in the sun. Shine your way.
I wonder why you and me fight each other. Don't you see the similarities between us? Take a minute and see yourself in the mirror. You look like me, those eyes, lips, you can't deny. Have you thought about why we look the same? Why we feel the same? Don't tell me it's by chance. Oh, you're my brother, you're my sister. We're one big family. Oh, oh, you're my brother, you're my sister. Just one big family. It doesn't matter if you live far care about you. And I wish you could realize there's no difference between us two. We're part of one family, no matter how far you are. And even if we don't know each other, oh, you and me and you, we are one. Oh, you're my brother, you're my sister. We're one big.
Hai, I'm Teacher Zira. Sekarang kita nak pergi hornbill feeding. Tapi ikut cakap Alif tadi tu, hornbill feeding dia lebih bahaya untuk budak-budak. Tapi tak apa, kita just tengok je, kita takkan bagi dia makan. Dan selepas ni, kalau kita sempat, kita boleh tengok bird show. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you, bye. Hi, me again. Okay, sekarang kita dekat photo booth. Photo booth ni kat mana diorang boleh ambil gambar, tapi kita tak tahu kita boleh ambil gambar ke tak sekarang. Dan budak-budak tengok sangat excited. Tengok diorang sangat excited nak ambil gambar dengan burung-burung. Tapi sekarang ni mungkin sebabkan ke-excitedan diorang tu, kita tak boleh ambil gambar ramai-ramai sebab kita cuma nak boleh ambil gambar seorang-seorang per person, sebab harga dia RM10 per person. What did you say? What kind of birds? Parrot. You remember the name? Excellent. Parrot.
Owl.
Very good. Owl.
Eagle.
Eagle. Good. Well done, swan. What else? Horn. Hornbill. Yes. Peacock. Excellent. Well done. Ostrich. Excellent. What is your favorite one? The what? What is your favorite one? My favorite is hornbill because it's big.